Description: lightweight, wearable styling treatment. With active target conditioners to restore undernourished hair, enhance manageability and restore radiant shine. Benefits: lightweight, wearable styling treatment with flexible hold. Formulated to restore undernourished hair. Suggested use: spray on damp hair for an instant style boost. Air dry or style with tools refined looks. Sebastian Professional Potion 9 Lite. Easily style and restore hair with Sebastian Professional Potion 9 Lite. This wearable styling treatment was designed for lightweight conditioning and styling, especially for medium to fine hair. Potion 9 Lite spray restores undernourished hair, enhancing manageability. Sebastian styling conditioner helps hair regain flexibility and radiant shine. Top reviews from the United States. Great leave-in conditioner. I use after every shampoo on my short, straight hair. Gives me a bit of body and wave. Great product. Been using for 2 to 3 years now.